Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now, I am going to show you how to add a shopping cart to Blogger. So here, we are going to use another website, which is the Equid. So here guys, you need to go to equid.com and create your free store account. And right now, from your Equid dashboard guys, you just need to add your products with names, prices, and images. And then go to the website section, select other platforms, and there guys, you can copy the embed code. And you can now paste that code into a Blogger page. So here, this website. And you now have a shopping cart on Blogger powered by Equid. So you can like and follow for more Blogger tips. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.